Error 9. Welcome to this video. I'm sorry you're facing difficulties, but we are going to fix this error 9 super quick and easy. Let's start with explaining the error itself. Error 9 occurs when the thermal overload relay trips. When the current to the compressor motor is too high, the trip button on the thermal overload relay pops out and the compressor stops. Now we know what the problem is, it's time to repair this error. Open the electric compartment and find the thermal overload relay. Find the trip button on the thermal overload relay. Push trip button to reset thermal overload relay. Reason for the thermal overload relay tripping is a too high current going to compressor that almost always occurs when the voltage in the compressor motor is too low. When the voltage is low, this means that the current is high. Reasons for too low voltage is most of the time resistance in the power supply to the unit. Therefore, you need to check all connections between power supply and compressor motor. Fuses, connectors, relays, contactors, cables, etc. Check cable size. Now it is time to measure the voltage. You do this when the compressor is on. Please look at the screen to check the range of volts which suits for your model. When all connections are correct and cables and voltage are good, set dial one step higher and test unit with compressor and heaters on. Dehumidifier modus. Now press and hold the R button to erase error 9 after resetting the trip button on the thermal overload relay, as explained earlier in this video. I hope all worked out well for you and that the error has now been resolved. Should you require any additional assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us.